Hi guys and welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create your own 3D movie with AI. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's dive right in. So first, let's talk about how you can start or create your account using your AI animation generation. So here, what we're going to do is we are going to go to Deep Motion and then we are going to simply sign up into our account. Now, input your first name and last name, your email address, and the company that you have. Now, make sure that you actually input all the necessary details as well as the company, which I actually missed out. Also, where did you hear about Deep Motion? Now, after that, if you have filled out all the necessary details, you just need to simply verify that you're not a robot and hit on verify afterwards. Okay, so it will not let us get started if we have not filled in all the information that Deep Motion is asking us. So the freemium, by the way, guys, is just a 30-day free trial from this platform, and basically, what you would be doing is that you just need to fill in all the information right here. It will not ask for your credit card information or debit card information in order for you to start up your free trial. All right, now let me just fill in and finalize everything right here on my end. And let me just hit on the get started button. Okay, all right. Now that we have created our freemium account, we just need to verify the email that was sent to us into our email address or the email address that we have inputted in DeepMotion. And after you have verified your account that you have created it, then you can simply sign in to your DeepMotion. Alrighty. Alright, now let's move on and proceed to the next process of our account. Okay, so the next step is we're going to sign in to our Deep Motion. And now let's create our model. So basically, to create our model, all we need to do is to go here in this section, which is our 3D model. You will find that in the left-hand side of your Deep Motion account. And then afterwards, I'm just gonna simply select an avatar. So I actually chose a female avatar for my 3D animation. Now, next is that it will ask you to dress up and basically like change the features or add and subtract some features that you can see here in your Deep Motion. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna really create a lot of changes, but instead I'm just gonna add like a few. Say for example, we're gonna have the dress and I'm gonna add some sunglasses perhaps for this girl. Okay. All right, this looks better. You could also add some makeup if you would want to and other details. Okay, you can continue without the sign up for this one. And then let's name our character. So I'm going to name her Mary. And now that we have created our avatar, we're going to simply wait for Deep Motion to load. Alright, now let's continue to the next process. So for the next process that we are going to do, we are going to simply create the animation this time. Now to create the animation, we are going to simply click on the box and choose a file that we would want to add onto our Deep Motion. Alright, Let's trim the length since for our freemium account we only have 20 seconds for the limited time. Okay, there. If you would want to trim and crop a specific portion, then you can actually do that by simply scrolling down and, you know, um, just trying to change whatever you want to change. Okay, you could add a physics filter if you would want to. Also, your foot locking, your fallback pose, your face tracking. Here in the video clipboard, you can actually enable MP4 if you would want to. And then let's simply hit on create. Now, you just need to confirm the new animation. Here you can actually see the video settings, the output formats, and whatnot. Once you finalize everything, you will be routed in the section where you just need to wait for your video to be added. By the way, guys, if you do not have any videos available on your computer or desktop, then you could actually search for free video um, sites. Like, for example, there are some video sites like Pixels, Shuttercock, and the likes that you can actually download them for free. And it's really pretty simple and easy. But make sure that you actually try to look for a video that is not of high quality because in deep motion there is a limited um, pixel for your videos that you would want to add or animate into deep motion, especially if you are in the freemium account. However, if you do an upgrade, then there will be more possibilities that it's actually inclusive in your plan to have a higher kind of um, feature for that one, or that feature would be unlocked and you can download, you know, videos that are of high quality as well. All right, now our video is almost finished. I'm gonna show you the end result after this one. All right, so after it has initialized, basically it will route you to this section and you just need to hit on OK. Now, as you can see, we are already previewing the video and also the animated avatar that we have created here in Deep Motion. So that's actually pretty simple and easy to do, right? All you need to do is to follow these easy steps in order for you to create this one. Now, when you click on download, you can click on the drop down, right, for the file type that you would want to um, save as. So we have the FBX, the VH, GLB. If you want to have the MP4 version, then you need to enable that one like what we saw a while ago. Alright, but I'm just gonna have this one and basically we're good to go. Okay, now if you're going to create these animations, you can actually settle it out in YouTube and whatnot. It's pretty simple and easy. Just follow these easy steps, and I hope I have helped you out in today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.